Despite Terra Classic recent drop in price, I'm surprised to see one of the tweets saying the target is still $10. It is not 1 cent. Remember, a lot of people believe, people have been talking about Lunc Classic reaching 1 cent. I think they need about 7,000% rise in order to hit 1 cent at the time of recording this. But here they come to say, look, $10 price is the actual target, and I think they actually referring to Terra Classic massive burning, and with the support of Binance, they believe they can hit that level, even reaching $1. If I'm going to give you analysis of how Terra Classic can reach $1, you just say it is impossible for now. But with $10, I know it is possible for Terra Classic to hit even $20 in future, but it all depends on two things. Yes, I believe if they can burn this coin, they can burn the supply of Terra Classic coins, and let's assume they burn out over 5 points. Let's say they just have only 8 billion coins out there. They have only 8 billion, and they keep still burning in order to bring it down to 1 billion coins. Of course, Terra Classic can hit a lot. Shiba Doge, I want to compare this with Shiba Doge because right now people believe Shiba Doge can go nowhere because of the amount of coins they have. They started with 426 trillion coins, but with the introduction of 2.5% tax bond, they've actually reduced. Well, initially they burned half of that supply when they started. Now they have burned they've actually burned more than 32 sextillion coins. Okay, they are also more than 32 sextillion because of the introduction of 2.5%. Now Terra Classic coming on with the 1.2% tax bond is to help this coin to burn out a lot of their supplies. And I believe, yes, I don't want to argue the issue of $10 because I can never tell you any crypto coin cannot do this. You can't give such prediction because anything can happen. But what can happen is what you can say it is impossible, but anything can happen. For me, Terra Classic reaching 1 cent, yes, if they can burn a lot of coins. Reaching $1, yes, if they can burn trillions of Terra Classic coin. Reaching $10, yes, if Terra Classic can be trading with just below 1 billion, okay, or let's say below 5 billion supplies, there's the possibility this coin can hit a massive rise, a massive increase in price. Okay, yes, but burning this is where the problem is. Destroying these coins is where the issue comes. It's not easy to just burn these coins like that. A lot of people own billions of trillions of Terra Classic coins. So how do you burn all these coins? It's definitely not going to be easy to destroy over 5 trillion coins of Terra Classic, except the top holder decide to engage in this, except the top holder decide to involve themselves in the supporting the burning of Terra Classic coin. Well, please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision, and let's hope that Terra Classic in the near future will definitely give us profit and put smiles on our faces.